This is how the remains of yash is still there. You can see the signs of devastation can be seen till now. Already it's more than 2 or 3 months has passed, but still the remains of yash devastation can be seen at the beaches. In fact, there were quite a number of shacks and small shops dotting this area, and you can see the trees. The trees are the last signs of yash. The entire area bears the burnt of yash. The entire area bears the burnt of yash, and we feel pity how devastation has ruined this practically the beach front. Finally we have reached the Digha Mohana. It is also one of the prominent tourist spots of Digha. One must visit this particular place. That's the river that is coming from that side, and here it coincides with Digha Sea. And this place is also famous for fishing harbour. If you come early in the morning, you will find all the fishing trawlers coming here and offloading their fish catches, and you can buy also. And you see all the waves coming to this particular near about the beach, and you must come to this place, and it's really enjoyable. So many tourists are there, and that's the end point. That is the end point. And we have ordered some puris with sabji and one sandwich. So we are enjoying this breakfast. The name of this restaurant is Digha Dhaba. It is just opposite to Hotel Seahawk, and it's a nice ambience here. So you can choose this as an option. You can choose this as an option to have breakfast and lunch, and the price is quite reasonable also. This is the Dheu Sagar beach, and this beach is closed to the tourists, so you can't get inside. Actually, this particular beach has been totally destroyed in the yash, and so the makeover work is going on. So this beach is closed now. So we are heading towards Udaipur beach. Finally, we have reached the Udaipur beach, and this is the gateway to Udaipur beach. So let's go and visit the place. So this is the staircase climb, and it's quite steep as you can see, but the view is lovely. forest type atmosphere on both sides and the staircase in between. And since today the crowd is less, I'm really enjoying this place. If normally during weekends or in season, this area is full of hustle and bustle, which is non-existent now. Let us climb up. So that's the beach. Oh, lovely view. Good afternoon. Now we are at Udaipur beach. And as you know, Udaipur is one of the latest developments of Digha. And this beach has been really prepared so well. If you don't come to Udaipur beach, your practically visit to Digha is useless. So let us enjoy the vast expanse of this beach from this top watchtower. There lies the beach. That was very technical. Finally, we have reached the Talshari beach, and during tide you can't call it a beach. It's looking like a harbor or a jetty, like something like that. And there is the Talshari island where people go by boat to that particular island. Since tide is there, it's not advisable to travel in boat at this moment. And if you come after the tide, you can ride motorcycle on this beach. This is the particular Talshari beach and waiting area. কত?
20 টাকা। ডিঙ্গো খাবি?
Since this is COVID time, most of the restaurants are closed. So our hotel person said that you go to this particular restaurant. This is known as Canteen Hotel and Restaurant. So we have come to this place for lunch. They have variety of foods, and it seems to be a nice, clean and air-conditioned hotel. So we have come to take our lunch over here. We have ordered biryani for our lunch. Finally the biryani has arrived and we are having a sumptuous lunch, and its cost is 160 rupees for chicken, and for mutton it's 190 rupees. and quantity is quite good. If you consider the price, quantity is quite good, and they have offered a salad and some wafers. So it's a good biryani at this price,
Tasty biryani.
and the taste is very good. So the taste is very good. This is the so-called Goa of Bengal. There are so many shacks in and around, and so many shacks are there, and everybody is enjoying fried fish with beer and liquor. So beer and liquor is available plenty over here, and if you really like to enjoy fun and frolic, you must visit this place. Really, it's a nice place. So trip to Udaipur Beach is a must if you really like to enjoy. That man is totally out after having drinks, so his friends are trying to wake him up. So really a nice place. So he is taking a joyride. They charge 100 rupees for a trip. So if you can ride a two-wheeler, definitely you should come to Udaipur Beach for this particular ride. Those are the red crabs. These are very shy type of crabs. Once they understand that something is approaching, they immediately get inside. So this place is full of red crabs. Since we approached in a two-wheeler, all of them has disappeared. This is the place where you can find lot of red crabs. We are in the new Digha market area. It, already the dark clouds are in the horizon, and we don't know whether I will be able to visit this place at this moment. But already the tourists have started coming to Digha. See, all the hotels, they have lighted up, and it's a beautiful view. It's really a beautiful view here. That's a nice hotel, and we are just at the market area of New Digha. I have always preference for New Digha. Okay, people have a nostalgia for old Digha also, but I always prefer to visit New Digha. It's a seafood stall. There is the seafood stall. You can purchase fish according to your choice. Other than fish, there is other items also.
This water squid. This squid.
You can enjoy seafood here. Finally, the beach front. Nah. We have ordered one chicken kebab and one tengri kebab, and also one squid. So he is preparing it. So some octopus feeding. We'll take fried octopus, and its cost is 150 rupees. Finally, the food has been prepared, and how is the taste? Really tasty. So my son is enjoying this food, pure seafood, octopus fried with some masalas. So really he is enjoying it. So any food connoisseur who loves to have seafood should definitely visit this stall. He has a good variety of fishes, and he is frying all fresh. He is frying all fresh. স্টলের কি নাম আছে তোমাদের? দাদা স্টলের কি নাম আছে? অমলান অমলান ফিশ সেন্টার. So people visiting New Digha must come to Amlan Fish Center for seafood preparations, and he is preparing all fresh, and you should definitely give it a try. Okay.
তাই খেয়ে দেখো, পুরো আলাদা, বোঝা যাচ্ছে না
কি বুঝলি কিরম লাগবে খেতে আমার।
আরে কেমন কেমন খেতে ভালো। আরেকটা কেন